Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the about page of the institution, and that gives you more information about the institution. So let's get into it. I'll be clicking on my school, Adeleke University, for example, and when I click on any department, for example, there's a button at the top right that shows the bottom shape. All I have to do is click on about Adeleke University. When I do that, I get to see the about page of the institution. From this first part that shows in our screen right now, when I swipe to the left, I get to see more information. For example, the mission statement, the core values of the institutions, and what a little bit about Adeleke. When I keep on scrolling down, I get to see the population chart, the school history, how the school was founded and whatnot, extracurricular activities about the institutions. I get to see the affiliations of the school as well, and more images as well. For example, what the school looks like, the Faculty of Art, Faculty of Basic Medical Sciences, and whatnot. So this is all about the institution, and this is how you get to the page. Thank you once again. See you in the next tutorial.